Hey friends, so I just got this KissCore bamboo bread cutter in the mail. We're gonna go ahead and try it out and see what we think about it. All right friends, I've got this lovely KissCore bamboo bread cutter, and here it is. It comes with this part, which is your bread cutter. It comes with the tray at the bottom to collect all the pieces of bread that come through. Go ahead and place this in there. And then this is used to put at the end to hold the structure up. Also comes with this awesome bread cutter. And it's also got these lovely little grips that you put on the bottom. There's 6 of them, so it doesn't move as you're cutting. The board stays in place. Now I've got some bread here that I made the other day, and we are gonna go ahead and cut it up. And you can make it as thick or as thin as you want it. This cut beautifully, all cut up, and I can just place it right back inside my bag. Perfect. Friends, definitely give this a try. I will drop it down in my description of where I got this on Amazon.